Hi everyone, it's Miss Sab again. How are you doing? I just wanted to point some things out to you about this particular digital lab. It's the last one that I posted for you on Wednesday. You'll be getting another one on Friday, but the last couple of interactivities actually all work together with this one and the next one to help you better understand how we are using water and how we are also having to be stewards or protectors of that same water, and how it not just affects our recreation, our relaxation, our drinking water, and our responsibility to the organisms that we affect when we move into their area. We want to keep our area safe, but we also want to keep their area safe because if they can live there, breathe, eat, etc., that means that the area stays clean enough so that we can continue to use it. If we abuse it too much, it will be gone not only for them but for us. So they are a good indicator of how well we are taking care of our water. Make sure that you read your overview, your lesson outcomes, and your investigation so that you have an idea of what is going on when you are going through your different things. There are your learning and outcomes, and your investigation starts here. And just like the other labs that you've done before, when they see something like this and they're asking you to read, don't forget to read your background information. All of this is necessary for you to better understand what is going on. And don't forget that you also have to take a look at all of the little, it doesn't like me today, all of the little research signs, little magnifying glasses, throughout the whole thing, because if you don't read them all, it will not let you go on to the next page. So read, take some notes, because you might not have access to this page again without accidentally deleting some of your information. So I'm going to open them up quickly so that you can see what happens next. Please remember that Miss Sab has already read these and taken some pictures and put some things together. Don't forget that the little save button is going to be there, as well as your lab book, so that you can take some notes and add some things in there. So you can basically see what's happening after you read the information. Every time you go to a new part, you will notice that they have new information. They have new information every time that you go to a new part. So please make sure to read that. Sorry for that little error. So you want to pay attention to what you see, how far that's going to, how the ocean water is going to reach back. And to have an estuary safely, you want to be able to have the water in every area from the ocean as well as the fresh water from the land. Don't forget you have a key there, so if you don't remember what one of the things means, it literally will tell you what each of these things mean, and that's how Miss Sab knew that that was the tidal reach that you see right here. Okay, so once you've read everything, make sure you hit next. You are going to start typing your information in here, making sure that you save anything that you need to. If you want to close that and you want to open it back up, you found that you, after you played around with some things, that you want to open it back up and take some more notes, you can just hit the report button for your lab journal and type in some more notes there. So you are going to see the effects of replacing the road. You're going to see the effects of all the different things that you're going to do. So if you want to save the screen, just hit the save button, and then you're going to click here and it will download, as you saw over here, that image with your corrections of what happens there. So you can keep a step-by-step journal of the information that you have on there at any time so that you can refer back to it and use those pictures later on if you need to. As you're going through that, please make sure you select what you want to select. Make decisions on what you want to have. You can try to select all three. You can try selecting one. And you're going to look at all the different things that it's going to tell you that it's going to happen and save them after you've done either one, two, or three, up to you. Make sure you're, again, reading the parts as they come up. And continue that all the way through. When you get to the last bit of the things that you want to do, you submit. There is one question that is going to come up in there as well. Good luck.